This month, we're saving you money on travel and saving you time everywhere else. Let's take a look. Ever booked a hotel only to see the price fall 2 days later? Book a hotel through Ramp Travel and we'll monitor the price for you. If the price drops, we'll automatically cancel and rebook at the lower rate, all behind the scenes. Same reservation, same trip details, just a better price. And now you can book rental cars through Ramp Travel too. Flights, hotels, cars, all in one place, all in policy. Ramp Treasury just got even more powerful. Now you can accept funds from customers or platforms like Stripe directly into your Ramp business account. You can also fund payments outside of Ramp, such as payroll, rent, or taxes. Your org isn't one size fits all. Your user permissions shouldn't be either. Ramp Plus adds roles like bookkeeper, IT admin, and manager, so you can control who sees what and does what. Need more control? Just edit the permissions. Ramp now integrates directly with even more ERPs. This month, we're adding Oracle Fusion Cloud and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations to the mix. Real-time ERP sync means your finance team stays ahead. Faster moves, quicker closes. Our new templates make it easy to enforce policies for common expenses like wellness stipends, travel, and office supplies. Edit, lock, or terminate right from the dashboard. And that's it for April. Tell us which features you're loving and what you'd like to see next in the comments below. Until next time.